Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, we're going to do a couple adding and subtracting fractions problems. Remember, we're going to keep doing adding and subtracting fractions until we get everybody on board knowing how to do these. So let's start with 2/5 plus 3/7. 2/5 plus 3/7. Reagan, can I have those the way they're written?
No.
Why not?
Because the denominators are not the same.
The denominators are not the same, so I would take my two denominators and I would list their multiples until I find the same multiple appearing in both rows, which is what, Reagan?
It is going to be 35.
35 is correct. I change these so they're both over 35, but I cannot change the value. Reagan, what would I multiply 2/5 by?
You'd multiply 2/5 by
5 times what gives me 35?
7.
7. So multiply by 7/7. What's my numerator?
Your numerator would be 14.
14. When you multiply fractions, you multiply straight across. Reagan, what would I multiply 3/7 by to give me a denominator of 35? 5/5. Awesome sauce. Peyton? Yeah. What's my numerator?
Your numerator would be 15.
15. I go over and check addition, make sure I know what operation it is. And Reagan, 14/35 plus 15/35 is?
29/35.
29/35. Can that be simplified, Reagan? No, we could check. Oh my gosh, that's one of the ones from the warm-up yesterday?
Yep.
So you could actually look at your warm-up and check if you got it right?
Yeah.
That's cray-cray.
I got that too. Heck yeah.
Can't you just use 5 times 7 to find the denominator?
You can. On that one, yeah.
No, it's all.
What if we did 5/6 subtract 3/10? 5/6 subtract 3/10. Oh my goodness, it is up here. Eric, can I subtract? Shh. Know the answer quietly. Eric, can I subtract these the way they're written? Why not?
Because the denominators are different.
The denominators are different. What would be my least common denominator?
60.
Least. Let's look for a smaller one.
It's 30.
Okay, it is 30. You could use 60. I mean, that would be fine. It is a common denominator. It's just bigger and would require more simplifying. Eric, what would I multiply 5/6 by to give me a denominator of 30? 5/5. So I would multiply it by 5/5 because 5/5 equals 1. Eric, what's my new numerator? 25. Eric, what would I multiply 3/10 by to give me a denominator of 30? 3/3, which gives me a numerator of 9. I go over and make sure I know what the sign is. It is subtraction. So Eric, what is my difference? 16/30. Now that can be simplified. I'm going to find the factors of 16 and the factors of 30, and Eric's going to help me. What are my factors of 16, Eric?
1 and 16, 8 and 2, 4 and 4.
Good. 30.
1 and 30, 10 and 3, 5 and 6. 15.
Eric, what is the greatest one that appears in both rows? 1 appears in both rows. Anything else appear in both rows?
2.
2 appears in both rows. Anything else appear in both rows, Eric?
No.
You're sure?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Once I know my greatest common factor equals 2, I can divide both my numerator and denominator by 2. Eric, 16 divided by 2 is? 8. 30 divided by 2 is 15. 8/15 is the correct answer for that problem. 8/15 is the correct answer for that problem. You doing all right over there, Ebola? Good. Boom shakalaka, peace out. God bless, love you. Do something kind today. Subscribe, save the bees.